If you notice any suspicious activity on your Wealthfront account, it's important to report it immediately to protect your financial information. Follow these steps to ensure your concerns are addressed properly. Step 1. Log into your Wealthfront account. Access your Wealthfront account by entering your credentials on the official website or mobile app. Ensure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to the Help section. Once logged in, locate the Help or Support section, usually found in the main menu or footer of the page. This section contains resources and contact information for reporting issues. Step 3. Select the reporting option. In the Help section, look for an option related to reporting suspicious activity or security concerns. This may be labeled as Report a Problem or Security Issues. Step 4. Provide detailed information. Fill out any required forms with specific details about the suspicious activity you observed. Include dates, descriptions, and any relevant account information to help the support team investigate. Step 5. Submit your report. After reviewing your information for accuracy, submit the report. You should receive a confirmation email or notification acknowledging that your report has been received. If you suspect any fraudulent activity, it's crucial to act quickly. Following these steps will help ensure your concerns are addressed promptly and effectively.